Congratulations, you're an adult. You're married, you have 2 kids, a home, you even have a dog. You're living the American dream. Now that you have a family, one of the bigger responsibilities is making sure that they have security and peace of mind. So you and your sweetheart start talking about getting a life insurance policy. But with so many options, it's hard to choose. From whole life to term life, universal life, and accidental life. It could be quite intimidating. So you decide to get yourself an insurance agent, but when you guys meet, he gives you no real understanding or explanation of how it works, and you get the feeling he's just trying to make a sale. Allow me to be of some assistance to you. I'm gonna cover the 3 major types of life insurance and how they work. The first one is term insurance. Second, return of premium, and third, permanent. Now that we've discussed that, which one's the best for you? First, let's cover term insurance. And just like it sounds, it's very simple. Term just means for an amount of time. And people usually get this for between 1 to 30 years. But let's say the client lives past the 30 years. What's going to happen is the contract now expires, and if the client wants to get insurance again, now that they're higher in age, it'll be higher in cost. And if they have any health issues, they might not qualify again. But the reason people get this one, it's the lowest cost type of life insurance that there is. For example, let's say we sit down with a 34-year-old woman that wants $500,000 of coverage for 30 years. It would only be about $30 a month. Next, we have return of premium. And this type of product is very similar to term. The difference is when the client lives past the 30 years, now they have options. The first one is a 100% money back guarantee, or they could choose to convert it to permanent coverage and have it no change in cost. But it's a better product. The downside is now it'll be a little bit higher in cost. So for the same client, a 34-year-old woman that wants $500,000 of coverage for 30 years, now it'll be about $100 a month. Next, we have permanent insurance. And right off the bat, this type of life insurance never expires. Second, it has something called living benefits. So if somebody becomes hurt or disabled or sick and they can't work anymore, it makes sure that you don't have to worry about money. Because we all know when you stop working, the bills don't stop coming in. And third, this also has something called cash value, which is a way to help you save and grow your money for the future, whether you want for retirement, traveling and going on vacation, sending kids to college, or buying a new home for the future. Also, this is a premium type of life insurance. It would be a little bit higher in cost. For example, now it would be about $250 a month. Not only because a portion of this is going towards your savings for the future, but also a portion is going over to cover your cost of insurance. I hope we were able to provide some value and more depth and understanding into life insurance and its concepts and how they work. Should you have any more questions, do not hesitate to reach out.
We're your favorite life agents,
JC
and Bree
Gasca.